Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for June 27th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair moved to the upside, actually opened and moved higher. Its open and its low were the same. Looking for this pair to continue overall moving sideways, potentially going as high as 81.57, possibly as low as 79.91. Look for some resistance around 81.00 and look for some support around 80.50. Now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair did close higher, broke the past two previous sessions low, but didn't break this one. We are looking for it to continue overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 144.70, possibly as low as 140.26. Look for some resistance around 143.50. and look for some support around 141.75. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved higher. It did break through previous lows. We are looking for it to move to the downside. However, on a reversal, possibly going as high as 161.03, possibly as low as 158.45. Look for some resistance around 160.75 and look for some support around 159.00. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed up. It did fill the gap. We are looking for it to continue moving to the downside. However, possibly going as high as 0.8426, possibly as low as 0.8265. Look for some resistance around 0.8395 and look for some support around 0.8315. Alright, now as far as news announcements go, we have the pound releasing their gross domestic product for the first quarter at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it's going to come out as the previous one at 0.50%. Year to date, they're showing a hold as well from at 1.80%. We also have the U.S. Consumer Confidence Report being released at 10 a.m. Eastern Time for the U.S. That's being, the consensus on that one is that it has moved a little bit higher from 60.8 to 61. So not too big of a jump. If it's much higher than that, then of course would be good news for the US dollar. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you go to the US-Japanese yen pair, maybe not back out quite that far. Let's see, here we go. We have two sessions highs here. We're getting real close to that. It's above the 81.00 mark. I am looking for a break of that. If it does break to the upside, looking to grab about 25 pips, 24, 25 pips off of that to the upside. So let me zoom in here. Basically looking to grab from the 81.06 level. So looking for a buy around the 81.06 and then looking to go ahead and exit this trade around the 81.31 level. Basically grabbing about 25 pips out of this area that we should run through if we get a break to the upside. Basically breaking previous resistance and going up to previous support that would now be resistance. So that's what I'm looking to do. I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.